Norwegian Cruise Line updated its COVID policy for embarkation on August 1st, 2022. This video shows us checking in for our cruise at the port of Rome, Italy. But Norwegian's COVID embarkation policy is the same at all of its ports except for Greece and the United States. After watching this video, you will know exactly what to expect when you check in for your Norwegian cruise. The cruise port in Rome is actually a little more than an hour from the city and almost 2 hours from the airport. We chose to hire a private car to take us from our hotel in Rome to the port. Because of security clearance, our private car was not able to drive actually in the port. We were dropped off at a roundabout just outside the port. The area is a little chaotic between the people leaving the cruise to meet their own drivers and the people taking tours in Rome. Once dropped off, we took our bags down a walkway through a general hangout tent. Then we continued to a second tent that's divided into rows for each cruise ship in the port that day. When it was our turn, we stowed our bags in the bus that was labeled for Norwegian Escape and boarded the bus. The bus ride took us about 10 minutes to get us to the embarkation terminal. The embarkation terminal outside was actually rather crazy. There are many people in many bags. People that are trying to get off of the ship as well as people that are trying to get on the ship are trying to maneuver around each other. So just keep your party close together. The doors for embarkation are around on the side of the building. People form a clump line waiting for their time to enter. Once you walk through the embarkation terminal doors, you're immediately put into the blue tape rows that go back and forth as you wait for yourself to be called to the COVID check-in spot. Once it's your turn, you are escorted to a small table where the person checks your passport and your COVID card to show your vaccines and your booster. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe below. I have many more videos coming out very soon about Norwegian Cruise Line and especially about the escape. You don't want to miss these. Once you finish your COVID check, it's now more like it was for check-in prior to COVID. You go to the area where you drop off your suitcases so that they'll be x-rayed and taken to your room. Next, your carry-on bags and yourself go through the x-ray machines in the terminal. Then it's up the big escalator to Norwegian ship check-in. The Norwegian specific check-in seems to be divided in a lot more sections than I remembered pre-COVID. First, you have your haven check-in and your casino check-in. Then there are many more divisions, so make sure you walk down all the sections and look at the blue signs till you find the one that actually meets your specifications. At the counter, they're going to check your passports again. They're going to ask for your credit card to confirm which one you want for your on-ship expenses. Then they're going to have everyone sign the iPads with the liability agreements on them. Once all that paperwork is taken care of, you're handed your ship cards and you're now eligible, if you're Haven, to go to the Haven Lounge. If not, then you get to board the ship. Welcome aboard. You're now cruising. To be completely honest, cruise embarkation with Norwegian Cruise Line feels very similar as it did to pre-COVID, except for getting your vaccine card checked. So I can tell you it's getting a lot more normal and it's time for you to be cruising again.